You got a little thigh meat popping, a little boom boom popping. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, I did another Shein try on haul. I can't stay away from Shein. Bottom line, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you will be notified the next time I do drop another video. So without further ado, let's jump into this haul. Now, both of these are separate, but it was just something about this denim top. Now, y'all know denim is in season, so it was something about this top. I had to get it. I did not realize the back of it had this little tail, but I kind of like it. It gives it a little bit of character. It has no padding at all, so FYI, no padding on this denim top. Now the zipper is functional, and y'all know I had to get these biker shorts because my last Shein haul, I got the black ones, so now I got the pink ones, and I love them. They're super stretchy. The lace along my thigh is a little bit tight, but that's okay. They are still cute. I highly recommend the top and the short. Now, if you follow my social media, you will already see that I've worn this button-up shirt already. If you're not following my social media, what are you doing? It's linked down below. Anyway, I love it. It's a very simple, classic button-up top. You know me, I have to make a little bit extra, so why would I button it? Even though it's a button-up. It's so cute. You can dress this up, dress this down. I've already worn it to work. I've already worn it, not outside because I ain't been outside yet, but it's still cute. Now, it does have buttons on the sleeve, and I'm in love with the polka dots. It's really giving what it needs to give. It's giving 90s, but 90s are coming back, so it is super cute. I got another button up. This one is oversized. The light is kind of like washing it out a little bit, but it's lime green. It's giving me very fluorescent, very summery, super cute. And you can wear this just like how I have it here. Or if you wanted to tie it up. But my vision is to, you know, just wear it opened up, cute and sassy. I'm gonna wear it just like this, off the shoulder. Depending on my mood, I might button it up just a little bit. I don't know, but this is super cute. It does not have any it has 0 buttons on the sleeve, but it's still a cute shirt. I love it. I got these shorts. Now these are a little large. They did not have my size, so I had to get the next size that they had, which was an extra large. But my plan was to get these alters to make these a little bit tighter. I just haven't made it to the alteration shop yet. So I figured, why not size up versus sizing down? So easy fix, just had to remove some of the material. But other than that, they are super cute. They do have stretch to them. And right now I just have them kind of pinned up in the back until I can get them altered. But I really love them. They're different. The only downfall is they do not have pockets. I wish they had pockets, but other than that, these are cute. I had to get this cute shirt because it was something about the colors that did something for me. It looked like it's denim, but it is not denim at all. It's just that wash. It's giving me Racer Girl or something. I don't know, but it was super cute, and I love the little cutout that it had on the side, and it is a little bit of a crop top. Now let me tell y'all about this skirt, okay? Because Shein, y'all did it with this skirt. It does have a functioning button on the side here. It has a button here and a button here. You can either, you know, loosen this up just a little bit. I did not button any of these up because my thighs, they ain't gonna let me button it up. So it's still a cute little vibe. Let me bring this down so y'all can see the length of it. So, I mean, it's pretty long. it stops right above my ankle, which is not bad at all. I love it. It's giving me very sexy, mamacita. Just because I needed some more denim pieces, I got this denim vest, I guess you want to call it. Super cute. It's a little bit extra, but hey, it is what it is. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are super cute. This is a functioning buckle here, so that was the only way I could get into this vest, is to unbuckle it and buckle it back up. It has zero stretch to it, but you know, it accentuates the curves. It kind of like snatches you in just a little bit. So girl, get this vest. Come on now. And it pairs very well with this skirt too. So you got a little thigh meat popping, a little boom boom popping. Cute. Now listen when I tell y'all, y'all need to run and get you these wide leg denim jeans. These have been on my wish list for so long, so I just finally went on ahead and bit the bullet. I got these in an extra large because I wanted them to fit very baggy, and they are super long, they are super comfortable. If you have been seeing these, yes, this is your sign to go ahead and get these jeans. These are so cute. And I also got this little bralette to kind of wear with it, just because I already knew the pants were a little bit extra, so I just kind of wanted something a little bit extra as well, but a little bit more subtle. I didn't want to, you know, take too much attention away from the jeans. So let me show y'all how long these jeans are, and I have on heels. These jeans are still dragging on the ground. They are still dragging. I'm 5'2", just to give you some height reference, and I have on a good little heel. This is the heel that I have on underneath these jeans, and I still are a little bit tall, which is okay. So I did get a few accessories. I got 2 purses and 2 pair of shoes. This is the first purse. It's metallic and it's pink because I'm a pink girl. The only thing that I did not like about this purse was this chain is actually heavy, but it was missing the end part. It didn't have the lobster claw, I guess that's what you want to call it. It didn't have, that's not lobster claw, but it didn't have that little hook on this piece, which I was really bummed out about because this chain is heavy and I loved it. It was super cute. So I just had to take it off another one of my little Shein purses, and bada boom, bada bing. I've worn this a few times already. It's super stylish and you can hold a lot of stuff in it. It's pretty big on the inside, to be honest. It's pretty big, so you can put a lot of stuff in here. This is the other purse that I did purchase. I had a gold purse, a gold metal purse. This is metal. I had a gold one, not like this, but it was a gold metal purse already, so I wanted a silver one, and this is it. Now this reminded me of a silver purse that I seen online that was like $300 something. Child, this not $300. It's kind of spacey. I haven't worn it yet, and it still has the protective film over it too, if you can see. Still has the little protective film over it, and I think this is gonna be cute. Super cute. You like this? Kind of looks like a little lunchbox. These are the first pair of shoes that I got. Now I've been wearing these, like these have me in a chokehold. I've already worn these out once before, and they are super cute. Now, what I can say, being that I did wear these out already, this little plastic part up here that sits right on the top of your foot, it doesn't give. So that's the only part of the shoe that hurt. Other than that, these were super comfortable to walk in. I don't know, I think maybe if you put some kind of like material up here in order for it to stop rubbing against your foot, you'll be good. But These are super cute. They have these in a different color, I think like black and white, but it's summer, so I wanted to be extra, and I don't have any green shoes, so this was it. I have not worn these yet. I don't know why I just got a bunch of green stuff. I was drawn to green. These are some lace-up shoes, tie-up shoes. The tie-up is super long. I haven't worn them outside yet, but I did wear them for like a post. So if you're not following my social media, follow me. And these were cute. I'm pretty sure they had these in a different color as well. You know, I wanted to go green. I love the heel. It's kind of different, kind of like a triangle, which is cute and different. I don't know if these are going to be comfortable outside, but I'm gonna give it a whirl eventually. That is the end of this haul. Comment down below, let me know which item was your favorite. If you're gonna get it, let me know. I will also put my sizes, and I will link every item if they still have it in stock, so you guys can get to it easily. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with a baddie, share it with someone who loves Shein just like I love Shein. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed to my channel, because what are you waiting for? Until the next time, bye.
Been a few hours